Ever wondered how you can improve your overall health and reduce stress and anxiety? But what if you have special needs, physical limitations? That's where adaptive Qigong comes in. This practice is tailored to meet individual needs. I've developed this program with the help of my sister Kristen, who has Down syndrome. Adaptive Qigong allows everyone to experience the benefits, some of which are improving sleep quality, increasing flexibility, boosting self-esteem, and more. Discover the transformative power of adaptive Qigong. It's a practice for everyone, regardless of their abilities. If adaptive Qigong can help you or someone you know, reach out to me at the link in the description.